Hi, it's Darnell with Wave Over Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up black beans in the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker and air fryer. And I know that Ninja offers some guidance for something like cooking beans in their pressure cooker and such, but their instructions, it's like if you're cooking beans for an army. So let's just say you're cooking what I would say more, not as much amount of beans, maybe more a normal amount of beans for a lot of us, not cooking like a whole ton of beans. So, if you're just trying to cook beans and you don't want to cook a whole bunch and you just want to cook up some beans, this may help you in cooking up your beans. I'm going to be doing black beans here. And so let's get cooking right now. Alright, so here I have my Ninja Foodi, and I've got 1.5 cups of black beans. After these cook and soak up a bunch of water, they're going to be bigger, but just 1.5 cups of black beans. And I'm going to open up the lid here. Let me, for the sake of my cabinet, move things over a little bit and get the black beans in. So now that I've got the black beans in, I add in 4 cups of water. So this is 2 cups here. And then a couple more cups. Put it all in there. And then I just to make sure that the beans are evenly distributed in there, I just kind of move them around a little bit so they're not all in one place. And so now I'm just going to take that pressure cooker lid and put it on, lock it in. Make sure that my valve is set to seal, because sometimes I forget to set that valve to seal, and then I hear some steam coming out once things start cooking. So now that I've got that all done, I'm going to go ahead and set my settings. So I'm going to turn the cooker on, and I'm going to go over to pressure. And I want to keep that high pressure, and I'm going to hit time. And I'm going to set the time up to 25 minutes. And I'm going to let it do 25 minutes on that high pressure, and then I'm going to do a 15-minute natural release after that, and then I'll hit the vent to let the rest out. But we're going to hit start with that. Let it do its preheating, cooking 15 minutes after, and then we'll release whatever's left inside as far as pressure. I'll get this, kind of moved so that it doesn't bother my cabinets and all once I turn the camera off. But when I bring you back, it probably will be turned around, because when I have to do the release, I can't have it like right under my cabinets like that. But it'll be turned around. We'll release the pressure, and we'll see what we have later. Okay, so our cook time and natural release time has finished. So I'm going to go ahead and release this pressure carefully. Alright, so all done with the pressure releasing, and so now I'm going to basically get this lid out of the way carefully. Now that we've got our beans all done, you can see them there. They look pretty nice to me. So I'm just going to take some and put them in this bowl here, and you can have a look at those. And let's do a taste test. So here are our completed black beans. There you can see them there. And so let's do a quick taste, and thank God for some black beans. Alright, so they turned out good, and the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker or air fryer does a good job making up those beans. You can use a method like that so you don't have to cook up like a whole bunch of beans, and then you got more than you need if we're trying to follow other guidance that gives instructions for more. But I do this all the time. Turns out real nice. And so with all that said, in the video description, lots of ways to help this channel, namely my new cookbook that's out, you can find the links for that in the video description. Also, there are links for referral links, like getting this cooker for the same price you always would, but you help this channel. Also, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.